You don't have to build an idea the moment you have it. Sometimes the smartest things you can do is let it become clear first. Hi, I'm Alexis Honestas, the Book Strategy. Welcome to Book Strategist Daily. Every day, I share one lesson from building Omax books internationally. Let's build. Today is Sunday in New York, and I'm actually excited for Monday. Not because I have meetings, not because something is launching tomorrow, but because I finally have an idea that I want to sit down and build properly. For a long time, I want to create something in the United States. Omax Books already connects African American authors with more than 400 million French speaking readers around the world. But I didn't want to create another project in America just because I wanted to be in America. I want the right project. And I think Book Strategist might be it. Over the last few weeks, while recording this podcast every day, traveling, attending InvestFest, meeting people, studying businesses, reading, testing content, and having conversation, something started taking shape in my mind. And now I can see Book Strategies becoming much bigger than a podcast. I'm thinking about an application born in the United States, built in English, primarily for an African American and international Black audience. There are a lot of ideas in my head, but here's the important part. I haven't written the plan yet. And today, I deliberately didn't force myself to, because today wasn't the day. Tomorrow, I will sit down and start turning those ideas into some things concrete. And these things remind me of three things I think you should do before turning an idea into a real project. First, wait for an idea you actually believe deserves to exist. Wanting to start something is not the same as having something worth starting. I could have created an American project years ago. I didn't. The geography was never enough reason to build the business. Second, live before you plan. Some of the ideas I'm going to write down tomorrow came from things I experienced over the last few weeks. Atlanta, New York, InvestFest, conversation, books, this podcast, even the mixtapes. Sometimes you don't need another brainstorming session. You need more inputs from real life. And third, separate excitement from execution. Tonight, I'm excited. Tomorrow, I need to become strategic. What is the problem? Who is this for? What exactly are we building? Why should it exist? How could it make money? Who do I need around me? Those are very different questions from wouldn't this be cool? And there was actually a small moment today that made this whole experience feel even more special. I finally spent some time in Harlem and someone recognized me in the street because of my work and what I share online. It was unexpected, and yes, it felt good. But it also reminded me that invisibility becomes much more powerful when there's something mindful behind it. So tomorrow, I start putting the pieces together. Maybe Book Strategies becomes exactly what I'm imagining today. Maybe it changes completely. That's part of the building. So here my question for you. Are you building your next project because you are ready to start something or because you finally found something worth building? If this episode helped you think differently about your next idea, follow Book Strategies Daily, leave a 5-star rating, and share it with someone who's thinking about building something new. You can find me on X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram, Alexis Honestas. I'm not documenting success and documenting the process. You're listening to Book Strategies Daily. Follow the journey. I will see you tomorrow.